Whew, man. You know that saying, you get what you pay for? This is definitely one of those situations. How's it going, everybody? I'm Jason, and this is the Review Suite. Happy New Year. Hope you guys are sticking to your New Year's goals. I certainly am by staying in the gym. So anyway, I was in the grocery store the other day and I was in the checkout line and I happened to come across these things right here. These are the SoundLogic wireless around the neck Bluetooth sport headset. It's not often that you see electronics in grocery stores as is, but I was like, okay, I'll give them a try. I was like, now I don't typically buy electronics from grocery stores, but I mean, for $14, it wouldn't hurt to try these, right? I mean, come on, like, they're $14. Like, they can't be that horrible, right? Yeah, they were that bad. So the thing about these SoundLogicXT earbuds are that they run off the absolute bare minimum specs. Bluetooth technology, so you don't know what version of Bluetooth these earbuds are running. It's certainly not Bluetooth 4.0. It's probably Bluetooth 3 something, because let me tell you, these things sound horrible, but we'll talk about that in a minute. You do get a volume control, play pause, and you get cushion ear tips with these things, so not too bad. The neckband is lightweight, as it says on the box, so no worries there. The build quality on these, it just feels like really cheap plastic. And then you get SoundLogicXT branding on the opposite end. So listen, if you guys don't know, I like to review affordable products, and regardless of the price, I try to give stuff a chance, but I just could not with these things. I just couldn't. Like, they sound so bad. Like, the equalizer can't save it. It really sounds like some early edition Bluetooth stuff that you used to get on those earpieces back in the day, you know what I mean? I'm not here trying to bash SoundLogicXT. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, they have some pretty decent products out there, but these are not it, bro. With most products, I'm usually willing to forgive build quality if they actually perform up to standard. The neckband is overall very comfortable. I just cannot get past the sound, man. I didn't even bother to try to make a phone call with these because it does have a microphone. But why would I even bother calling when these sound so terrible? I was at work today and I was walking around the building, moving a few boxes around and just trying to listen to a podcast. When you can't listen to talk, when talk becomes unbearable, you just got to hang it up. I like at one point I was like, okay, I just need to go and grab my regular earbuds and just plug those in, because I would honestly, if I had to choose between these and wired earbuds, I would definitely go back to wired in a heartbeat, because these just were not it. So I guess the moral of the story is, don't buy electronics from grocery stores. If you see these online, just stay away from them. If you see them at like a drugstore or a grocery store, yeah, just stay away from them, because at 15 bucks, you're probably not gonna win. But anyway, guys, I know this is an unusual video to start the new year off with, but I just had to get this one out to y'all as a public service announcement. Avoid these earbuds at all costs. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.